Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Bougainvillea are lovely flowers that a lot of people plant for their garden. Not only for the beautiful colors, but for how these flowers can form a beautiful shrub on their fences or gates. However, do you know that we are able to not only enjoy the aesthetic purposes, but also the health benefits of Bougainvillea flowers? Among the health benefits of these flowers, the most acknowledged is their ability in dealing with respiratory problems. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the new videos. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and share it with your friends and family. Number 1. It relieves cough. Bougainvillea flowers are recommended for cough. They possess expectorant property, which supports the discharge of mucus from respiratory tract. The excretion of mucus is able to boost the cough recovery. Number 2. It cures sore throat. Sore throat might be caused by allergy or infection. In this case, Bougainvillea flowers are able to offer you the solution. The antiseptic property of Bougainvillea flowers makes it possible for its tea to instantly reduce inflammation and relieve the sore part. Number 3. It relieves fever. Drinking Bougainvillea infusion or tea is known to be effective to reduce fever. It is possible because Bougainvillea possess antipyretic properties. The antipyretic properties enable Bougainvillea flowers to quickly and naturally reduce fever. Therefore, it is good to be applied for children as it has minimal side effect. And number 4, it works as a body detoxifier. The purple Bougainvillea flowers also possess the ability to clean out the body. The regular consumption of it will help your body to flush toxins and the other unwanted material we get from our unhealthy diet and the exposure to pollution. How to make the Bougainvillea tea? For the preparation, first you need to boil the water. You can add a cinnamon stick if you want. The cinnamon will instantly add the fragrance to the water. Let the water boil for about 2 minutes. After that, you can put the fresh Bougainvillea flowers and boil it for 2 more minutes. When it is boiling, strain the flowers and the cinnamon if you added and only use the water. Add honey to the water. Besides sweetness, honey also enhances the health benefits of Bougainvillea flowers. So now, the Bougainvillea flowers infusion is ready for your health problems. If you have certain health issue, don't forget to consult the doctor first before you start consuming the Bougainvillea flowers for its health benefits.